It is, I don't know what day it is. It's Wednesday. And it's Elisa with Closet Confidence. I am a wardrobe stylist and stylist with Stella and Dot, and I'm all about making it quick and easy for you to get dressed in the morning. And I want it to be stress-free. So I was gonna do, yesterday I've been coming on to talk about closet edits, ways to wear things more than one way, how to get dressed easier. And I said yesterday I was going to talk about muffin top, but I had so many people comment on my glasses that I thought I would do a quick little piece on glasses, because really they're an accessory. If you are close to my age, older, these are not prescription. They're readers, and I've gone from 1.0 to 1.5 to 2, 2.5, and these are, I can't even see what these are, but I will tell you, they are 3.0. Okay, so here's the deal. Glasses have become part of my look and accessory, and they can be very inexpensive. I got mine on peepers.com. There's also readers.com. There's also Target. There's also all kinds of different places. If you want to do prescription, but this way is way more fun. So these are my blue. They're kind of spotted. These are my pink. These are kind of fun and pink and summery. And basically what I do is, depending on my outfit, I change my glasses. These are pretty plain, straightforward, beige. They're not even beige, like a melon color almost. And as you can see, I have an obsession. I have a whole bunch of them here. This one actually has a bunch of pens in here. I'm not quite sure why I did that, but these are my gray ones. You can see they're super fun. Okay. Let's see what else I have in here, because it's kind of like a treasure trove. I leave them all over my house. I put them in the desk. Hi, Bob. How are you? Okay, these are my gray ones. Totally different look, smaller, gray edges, super clean on the side. And when I'm done, I basically, I recycle them. I give them away, because there's always somebody who needs a pair, right? These are pretty basic, straightforward tortoiseshell, and they're all different shapes. I know that there's probably a best shape for my face. And if you want to do that, I will, these are a different pair of tortoiseshell. I will happily post something that helps you figure out what's a good shape for your face, depending on if you have an oval face, if you have a round face, if you have a triangular face. These are my green ones, which I love, but you can see that they're just super fun, and they instantly add some fun and a woman's style to my outfit. And it's pretty inexpensive. Some of them are $8, some of them are $10, some are $14. Kind of depends on what the sale is. I have a pink pair. Oh, they're right here. See, I tell you, I leave them everywhere. These are my pink pair. And I have another pair in my car, I think. But these are pretty much, these blue ones and these gray ones are pretty much interchangeable. And like, these are huge for my face, but they're fun, and people look and they compliment, and it's a talking point. It's a conversation starter. And so instead of looking at what I'm wearing, they're looking at my face, which is a good thing. Plus, I think the glasses kind of hide my bags. Depending on how well I'd slept or didn't sleep. So that's your tip for today. It's Wednesday. Thank you so much for watching. I will post the links for Peepers and readers.com in my comments. Let me know what you'd like to hear from me. I've been giving closet edit tips Monday through Friday every day since we've been stuck at home in this pandemic. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy, and check out my new website, closet-confidence.com. And if you're interested in a virtual styling, I'm doing 15-20 minutes free virtual styling to help you kind of get started and get rid of things that you don't need in your closet anymore. I hope you're all well, and I'll talk to you later. Have a fabulous day.